Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the KardiaChain wallet. This wallet is designed to provide a seamless and secure experience for managing your cryptocurrency assets. To start, visit the KardiaChain website or download the app to access the wallet. Once you sign up, you'll be greeted with an intuitive dashboard that allows you to store, send, and receive KI tokens effortlessly. The wallet also supports various other cryptocurrencies, making it a versatile tool for managing your digital assets. The KardiaChain wallet offers enhanced security features, including private key management, ensuring that your funds remain under your control. It also integrates with the KardiaChain ecosystem, providing access to decentralized apps, dApps, and blockchain services. Its multi-chain capabilities make it an excellent choice for users who interact with multiple blockchains. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. The wallet also features easy backup and recovery options to safeguard against accidental loss. You could export your recovery phrase and store it securely. If you lose access to your device, this phrase will allow you to restore your wallet. Moreover, the integration with the KI ecosystem means you can stake tokens directly within the wallet and earn rewards, enhancing your overall crypto experience. TOSIN tokens. Simply enter the recipient's address and the amount, then confirm the transaction. The wallet ensures transparency by displaying transaction details and fees upfront. Receiving funds is just as simple. Share your wallet address or QR code with the sender. For those looking to explore additional features, KardiaChain Wallet offers in-app tutorials and support to guide users to advanced functionalities. From staking and dApp interaction to multi-chain transactions, this wallet is tailored for both beginners and experienced users. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth guides and tips on cryptocurrency tools and wallets. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends to help them get started with KardiaChain Wallet.